Introducing Mechtron, a striking new series of electric screwdrivers infused with a distinct cyberpunk aesthetic, now available for backing on Kickstarter. Designed for tech enthusiasts, DIYers, model builders, and anyone who appreciates futuristic design in their tools. This collection features multiple models, reportedly M1, M2, M3, M4, tailored to various precision tasks. Each screwdriver in the Mechtron series aims to blend high-tech functionality with a unique, eye-catching style reminiscent of science fiction. Key features highlighted often include electric operation for effortless screw driving, forward and reverse, adjustable torque settings to prevent stripping delicate screws, built-in LED lighting to illuminate work areas, and convenient USB-C charging. The screwdrivers likely utilize standard magnetic bits, commonly 4mm hex for precision work, for versatility across different electronic devices and projects. Specific models might offer advanced features like OLED displays for precise setting readouts or enhanced torque capabilities. This Kickstarter campaign offers a chance for early adopters to acquire these uniquely designed tools, potentially with exclusive rewards or pricing, bringing a touch of cyberpunk flair to everyday repairs and creative projects.